So look. So today I've received my Army Bomb version 3. Yeah, I don't have money anymore. So I bought again BTS merch for the I don't know how many times already, but yeah, I bought again, and I bought 2 Mickey Min shop again for the second time. So let's do unboxing time.
시리도록 푸른 하늘 아래는 다 흠뻑 쏟아지는 햇살이 날 어지럽게 해 한가슴이 쫄리고 심장은 뛰어 No no 느껴져 너무 쉽게 살아있다는
So we have here, wow. Oh, there's just few bubble wrap this time, so it's better. It's easy to do unboxing. So let's check it out. And again, I bought this one to Mickey Min shop. So thank you so much, Mickey Min shop. And of course, this one is, I don't know, it's in Thai. So I don't understand what does it mean. So yeah, but it's so cute though. And oh, I have Jimin. BTS official light stick version 3. So I didn't buy version 2. I just have version 1, which is this one. So I've got version 1, but I didn't get version 2 because I don't have money. The box is so cute, and it's smaller than before, and it's lighter than before because this one is so heavy and it's so big. Pair of the two, this one is bigger. And if I'm not mistaken, version 2 is smaller and lighter as well. So this is so cute though. They've changed the package.
Take my hands now. You are the cause of my euphoria.
Here's the light stick version 3. Oh, it's really lighter compared with this one. Look at the differences. This one is so small and this one is bigger. Oh, very cute. Look at BTS, and inside their logo, their new logo. Yes. Cute. I think so. So wait lang. You can see the differences. This one is really big and this one is cute size though, and this one is heavier than this one. And the most exciting part is the photo cards. So this time they have free photo cards. So let's check it out. Ah! Ang ganda! It's so pretty. Yepo. Kim Namjoon. Ah, I was about to say Kim Seok. Wait, let's fix it. Okay, again. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seok-jin, Min Young-gi, Chung Ha-seok, Park Ji-min, Kim Taehyung, Jung Jung-kook, BTS. That was was my best friend. Oh, they're so cute. Look, sis.
이 모든 건 우연이 아니야. 그냥 나의 느낌으로 온 세상이 어제와는 달라. 그냥
Get official lightstick version 3 earn reward points. Yep. I don't know what to do with hair, so but I'm gonna try it later through Bluetooth. So they have Bluetooth, and I don't know what is the circle one. I think I've lost the other one.
반복된 시선 속에 우린 서로 지쳐서
Where is the strap? There's no strap. Why? My version 1 has a strap, but my version 3, oh! It's here. Oh, very cute. It's bigger. Because with the version 1, it's like thinner. It's thinner, but this time it's thicker. Oh, very cute. I keep on saying cute because it's too adorable. Instruction number 2. Insert 3 batteries in the battery housing as shown in the images. So there is an image. Yeah. So anyway, so there is an image. So if there is spring, it is negative. If there isn't a spring, it's positive. So I think I got it right. So let's try. Just too scared. Ooh! Ooh! Wow! Ooh, cutie! BT, cute! This is the white one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the purple you. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jo Hoseok, Park Jimin. Sorry.
알아보게 됐어 서로를 불러왔던 것처럼 내 혈관 속 뒤에 내가 말해줘 내가 찾아 헤매도 너라는 걸 우리 만남을 수학의 건
I'm so excited for the concert. I hope I can watch. And I hope I have money at that time. Bye. Okay. Okay! Tapos na. Mag-edit na lang.